Good day, sir. Mabuhay. I'm Nicola Romo from BSHM1 Section 2, and I will discussing Flag's model of tourism. Stanley flag can be classified into three main types based on their personality and behavior. The first one is allocentric tourists, are the adventurous one. They love going to new, unusual, and less visited places. For them, travel is about discovery, challenges, and unique experience. Example, a traveler from Manila who decide to travel alone to Samar to explore waterfall and less developed areas where few tourists go. They don't mind rough roads, simple accommodation, or trying local street food. The second one is psychocentric tourists, are the opposite. They prefer safe, comfort, and familiarity. They like going to well-known destinations, often through guided tours or packages, because everything is planted and predictable. Example, a family from Cebu who always spend their vacation in Boracay staying at the same beach resort every year. They like package tour, family restaurants, and activity they already know are safe and comfortable. And the last one, we have the mid-centric tourists, are in the middle. They like the balance of comfort and adventure. They may enjoy exploring new places but still want some convenience and security. Example, a group of friends from Davao who travels to Palawan. They visit popular spots like the Puerto Princesa, underground, safe and guided, but they also try to exploring small islands around El Nido for the bit of adventure. As I reflect myself, I consider myself as an allocentric type of tourist. I love going to new and unfamiliar places because for me, travel is about discovery and challenge. I don't just look for comfort, I look for unique experiences that help me grow and learn. I don't mind for simply accommodation or trying things that are different from what I used to, because this makes the journey more exciting and memorable. Being allocentric reflects who I am as adventurous, curious, and open to the world, endlessly in possibility. Thank you, sir, and mabuhay.